Hi everyone, I'm here with another video which is lavender spray or lavender toner. Before we go ahead with the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on further videos. And do watch the video till the end. To make this lavender spray, all you need is two ingredients. One is lavender dry flowers and other one is essential oil. Both are available from Amazon. The link will be in the description. It is very easy to make this toner and the benefit for the skin is huge. To make this spray, you need to take 1 glass of filter water and boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then take 1.5 or 2 spoons of dry lavender flower and store it for about 15 minutes so that the water would take the complete essence of the flower, which is natural flower, and then add 10 drops of essential oil. Now it is important that you take a right essential oil when you use it to your skin, and then an empty spray just to spray it and use it for a month. This will go for a month. Now, the lavender helps in detoxification of your skin, and it also enhances the quality of your texture, the complexion of your face, and also it is anti-inflammatory. So, if somebody is having any kind of an acne, this would help really well on their skin, and also it will help in preventing wrinkles and aging. Now, as I said, it is more of an anti-inflammatory. This will also help in quality of your sleep. The essence of the lavender calms your mind and also the skin. Now, the stress level also decreases when you inhale this aroma. Now, this lavender spray is just like a rose water spray that you use regularly. You can use this on your face just like any other toner, and this is very easy to make and doesn't require any kind of a preservatives or any chemicals when you do it. It's completely home based and organic. Now I have going to strain this soaked lavender water. Actually, this water itself has very strong essence, but I am still going to use few drops of essential oil. Now, when you take up a essential oil, it is important that you take care of few things. You see the botanical name of the oil and also how they have extracted the oil, and it has to be therapeutic grade. Now, these three ingredients are very important. I'm actually in my description, you can see where I purchased my essential oil. You can definitely click on that link. Once that is done, I have just poured that and stored it in a spray bottle, and I'm presently using this, and it's been a month. I have made much more beauty videos and skincare videos and several makeup, bridal makeups and beauty hacks in my video. Please do check out my other videos as well and share this to your friends. And thank you so much for watching my channel.